going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a review on the Billet Dexter shoes. I don't like them, and I'll tell you why. Roll the intro. All right, here are the Billet Dexter shoes. They're the cheap ones. I've probably put about 1,000 miles with the shoes. They look decent. They don't hold up very well. If you look right here, they're already starting to fray and get nasty. They work well for bicycle use, I'll say that. Because the biggest thing that I have a problem with is if you fall and crush your foot with these shoes, watch what happens. Your foot will be smushed in there. And I know this because it happened to me. I was in the parking lot doing slow maneuvers, rolled over, and this had no support at all, and it broke my big toe, which if you've ever broken your big toe, it is the most painful thing in the world. You can't really walk very well. Thankfully it wasn't too bad of a crash, but like I said, I don't recommend these shoes for that. Your ankle support, there's nothing on this side. It has a little piece of plastic that doesn't protect you. Now they may have some style for some certain people that would like the style. I get it. Walk around them in all day. Do not ride with these shoes. If you're doing the MSF course, maybe just to be cheap, spend the money on shoes. And I'll show you a pair of shoes that I use now, and I'll do a review on those later. And that is the Alpine Stars shoes. They're like the Dry Star or something like that. But I cannot crush this sole whatsoever. Now, it is leather, whatever, but you cannot crush the sole. Unlike this, we just barely put any pressure and they just collapse. Now, I have worn these around town as just because, you know, I spent the money on the shoes. I want to get some use out of them. I would say they hold up pretty well, just a regular walking around use, but you will feel every rock, every crack that you step on with these shoes. They are not a motorcycle shoe. They are a designer shoe. Guys, that's my opinion on the Billet Dexter shoes. It is not a rip on Billet at all. Billet does make some very good jackets. I believe they make some good pants as well. I personally don't use any of them because I bought this product. Now, I know people who have used their jackets and had really good luck with them during a crash and whatnot. I do not recommend these shoes for that reason only. Guys, if you like this sort of thing, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, help me out. It's free, it doesn't cost you nothing, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.